Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and crunchy snack in a simple way. Welcome to Lizzie Home Kitchen, your home for easy and tasty baking recipes. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my baking tutorials. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Then go ahead with adding your 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil. For the water, you are going to be using half cup of water, but you will not add everything at a time. You have to be adding it step by step. Then mix it together. After I realized that the water is not enough, then I add the remaining water to it. Then mix everything together. If you don't want to use your hand like I'm doing, you can as well use your spatula to do it. But as for me, I really prefer my hands because I always want that perfect dough. Mix everything together to form a dough like this. Then transfer it to the wall surface. You have to rub the wall surface with vegetable oil. Then use your roller to flatten it out. Just flatten it out as much as possible because we want that crunchy snack. And to achieve that crunchy snack, the dough must be very flat. It must not be thick at all. You can see how I'm doing it. Just continue rolling it until you achieve that flat dough. Then go ahead and cut it to a square shape. You know, one thing I like about this snack is that there's no much ingredients and it does not waste time at all. Repeat the same step with everything until you are through with the dough. What next now is to fry it. Add your vegetable oil in the frying pan and leave it for about 5 minutes for the oil to be a little bit hot. Then add your dough to it and fry on a low heat until it turns golden brown. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.